Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I am doing something super exciting. I am doing my first ever copying a face chart type thing, and I am doing a collaboration with my good friend here on YouTube, Niki, and she is so good at these, so hopefully I don't mess this up. It is a very intensely pink face chart. Here it is for your eyes. So I'm going to try my best to recreate it. I've already done my base and my eyebrows, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm a little nervous. I don't know how this is going to go. We're going to attempt it and see what happens, but it is very, very, very pink. Very pink. So I'm going to actually start off in my Carity palette because I want it to kind of transition a little bit. I'm going into the shade here, Whisper, and we're just going to get started. I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette for a little bit of a mirror. And Whisper is kind of like a soft pink. I just want it to be able to have something to kind of blend out on, because the thing with this one, as you saw, is it goes and it's intense pink. We'll see. I'm not so worried about matching the intensity of the pink or anything like that. I'm gonna kind of play around. I'm gonna go in with this Santee blush, and it is the color Peachy, which I think this is not peach at all. It is very pink. I'm gonna take that same brush, and this is where it's gonna get fun, folks. Let's do this thing. Pink! Pink, pink, pink. Pinkity pink, 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 pink. Pink, 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 pink. Oh my gosh. I was debating filming this tonight or waiting and getting up at 5 in the morning and filming it because I'm nuts. And yeah, we're going to take it way out here on my eye because it's going to get dragged down. So one of the other things I want to do is, there's not much dimension in the pink, but I kind of feel like being creative. So we're going to go in here with Lumbia, which is this very hot pink. And we're going to start brightening that and deepening it and having some fun, folks. I don't know why I keep saying folks. Oh yeah, it's pink. It's so pink! I feel like I should be, oh, what's her name? I feel like I'm going, it's so fluffy! But I'm not. My husband and I just did our taxes, and that kind of depressed us for life. Being an adult sucks sometimes. No more adulting, please. I don't want to adult anymore. I'm kind of over it. I mean, I also play with little kids all day, so I never want to adult anyway. Kind of my life. So there's kind of a shimmer on it, and I'm gonna go into my backlight highlight palette, and we're gonna go into the shade Illusion. And what I'm gonna do is take this guy here. I kind of want it on there, and then I'm going to take my Mario Badescu spray, and I'm gonna spray it just like that. No, I'm super excited to be doing this. I haven't seen how Niki's came out or anything yet, so I'm kind of wondering what's gonna go on with hers, because she is so good at this. So I will be excited to watch that. Kind of wanted to give it kind of some pizzazz. So the next thing I'm going to do is in the inner corner, it's a very bright highlight. So I'm going to take this one here, Laser. And now I'm going to take this brush. And you guys, I'm a person who likes my creative liberties when I do things, so we'll see how near this is. It might be look inspired by. I think I'm gonna feel like I don't know, like I'm in the 80s or something after this. I can't, my brushes are all moved around. I have a new like desk thing. So yeah, that's interesting. And it's like an intense blush. And then I have to go under my eye. Because it kind of, it's way over here. This is going to be something. Okay, so now I'm going to go underneath my eyes, and I think I'm going to do a couple of things here. I think this is going to be a hot mess day. Okay. Then I want to run some of, oh, where'd it go? Some of Illusion from that same palette. Underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to take a different blush brush. I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to go into Illusion and I'm going to kind of dust it on top to give it kind of an glowy iridescent. I'm actually going to take Illusion and a little bit of Laser to get that to kind of glow like it does in the image. Thing is, this is a very intense blush. The next thing here, I'm going to look at these lippies. So these are both from Medusa's Makeup. There's this one, which is XXX. Or there is this one called YOLO. And I think I'm actually, oh no. I think I'm actually going to do XXX. And then I'm going to put a pretty I feel like I should be like part of some group in the 80s. That's how I'm feeling. Let's see, where is my mascara before I do the fun part? I'm a mess today, you guys. I am just a mess. I know it looks like she's wearing falsies in the picture, but I don't feel like putting falsies on tonight. So no falsies. I kind of like this lip color on. Okay, so the final kind of touch I want to do is I have this AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss to really make the lips sparkle. And then just for an added touch, I think I'm going to go in with a more intense highlight, and I'm going to use that shade Laser again. Well, I'm going to put that picture back up on the screen. Let me know in the comments down below how you think I did. It's kind of growing on me. It's a lot of pink. Well, what do you guys think? Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Please hit that like button if you did enjoy this, and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. And if you guys are doing any face charts or anything crazy in terms of makeup, let me know. Well, thank you and bye!